Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well and that you guys are keeping safe. If this is your very first time meeting this bold, beautiful, dark-skinned girl from South Sudan, you're highly welcome to my space. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know where you're watching from. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm preparing a typical South Sudanese dish and we call it Kombo Samaka. Let's get into today's video.
And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he tomatoes. No, go farm.
This is everything that I need for this local dish. So you can cook it with dry fish or even fresh meat or a dry meat or a smoked meat, whatever. So today my personal choice is I'm going to use this dry fish. Yeah, this is tilapia, the dry one. If you don't eat, please exit the video, or if you don't like seeing it, you can exit the video. But if you do eat or you like to see still, even if you don't eat, yeah, you can. It's called roboto because of how it is plated like this. So the plating part is what's called samaka roboto. Yeah. So the next things we are going to do is, actually in the village we don't need this, or you don't actually use this. They don't use this, but I'm going to use tomato and I'm going to use onions. I don't need a lot of onions for this, yeah, so that's why I have 2 tiny onions. And the main one again is the okra. So this okra is for $1. Yeah, this okra is for $1. So this is the okra. Obviously I'm going to put spices of my choice, but in the village I think you can just put Maggi. Is it Maggi or Maggi? Yeah. Or Raiko, and salt, or of course oil, obviously. And that's it. That's all you need. And again, you need ginger paste. Yeah. I'm boiling water to wash this fish with. So right now, the next thing we are going to do is cut all these things and start putting it on fire. This is ginger paste. We call it Kombo or dakwo. Yeah, dakwo. So this is dakwo or Kombo, and it is ginger paste. Yeah, I don't have it at home like some people who like it so much. I have it in like a tint or all that, but me, I went and buy this tiny one because I really don't use it that much, so I don't need it in a bag. And the next thing, that what makes it actually called Kombo, is this. We call it Kombo wow, and I don't know how to call it in English, so I'm not going to lie to you guys. So this is Kombo wow, and the use of this is going to make the soup or the okra slippery, more slippery, right? Yeah, it's going to cook faster than expected. That's how I understand. I don't know if any other person sees it the same way. So yeah, this is Kombo wow, and that's what makes it called Kombo, because we are going to add this. We're going to put it in water, then there's the water that we are going to add to the sauce, not this one direct. We don't put this direct. We put it in the water, in hot water, to soak it, then the water is what is put in the sauce. Yeah, so obviously I'm going to put spice of my choice, but in the village they could have only used Maggi or Maggi, and that's it, and the rest of these things, and you're good to go. But for me, I'm going to add other spices that I'll show you guys. So
Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he tomatoes. No, go Kombo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot touch my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, see me, I want make you know, say me there for you, and if not you fight me, that I feel like don't see ya. I never tell you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Better do it that you want, and then you will be up before. I never tell you, baby. This love will make me the story. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in car. I'm gonna watch baby day. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I'm gonna take you. Oh, baby, oh, no. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me devil.
Awesome. So, good job. So, as you have seen, our fish is ready somehow, and it's time now to add the okra, and we give it some time. Then we are going to add the combo that I was telling you guys. I don't know how to call it in English, but it's called Kombo. Wow, yeah. So I've already poured the hot water, and that's how it looks like. And it's Kong. I think if you are to test it, it's actually very Kong, and it's what's going to make this okra very, very slippery. So let's put this together. The water is not enough, but I also don't want it to have a lot of water. I'm going to add a little bit of water, I guess. So let's put the combo wow. It's very combo. Combo wow. So I should add water. Small. So this is how it looks like. The next time we're going to check, I'm sure it's gonna be ready. So let's cover it. That's how it's looking like. It's so funny. So that is almost ready, guys. If it was not because it's combo, even like this you can eat it, but I'm going to add one extra thing that makes it combo now. Yeah, so like this now you can actually eat it like this. So slippery. So this is the final result of our sauce or delicacy South Sudanese Kombo Samak. So we are going to serve it with you guys and test and see how it is. But this is what it looks like. If you are South Sudanese and you know how to cook it better, let me know in the comment section. If you think it could have looked better or even look good, let me know. But me, I'm done here. Done. D for done. Me, I'm done cooking. I don't know why this one is recording me, but so it's time to serve it. This is how it looks like. Edit. This is one. And then
Kirano.
use 95 4 point something and that. This is what we call pepper food or kisra. Kisra, yeah. This is kisra. We try this one first a bit. We are going to eat as typical South Sudanese women, but they don't sit like the way I'm sitting. We are not eating self-serve. We are sitting like we are eating in one plate. That's what South Sudanese do. So don't mind us. If you don't like, or if you can't imagine people eating the same plate, you can exit the video. First one for the camera. It's nice,
very
but
sweet.
it's not bad though. I tried shower.
Wow, it's tasty.
A typical South Sudanese would have. There's a way, I don't know how to call it in English, that mixing process. There's a way they do it like a lot, like too much to the extent that you cannot even see the particles of the okra. You just feel something slippery, but for me, I don't have that time.
Yinga.
I swear.
You.
Can you make a me quite your for any button you with it? Do it. No one is good.
Why are we up?
You guys should really taste this. It's very tasty.
I've not eaten this. This was in a very long time, especially the oatmeal. This is what they call pepper food, kisra. So this is one of the South Sudanese delicacy. We also have ugali, but we call it asida. Kop, I mean kop. But most people understand it when someone says a kop. We call it kop in my local language. Then there's another one called walwan.